So for today's session, it's like that is Talk with Subscriber third edition, and we have Krupa and the other participant is Revati. So I think we all know that today's topic is online learning during pandemic or during COVID-19, right? So we are all
Okay.
aware that COVID-19 has
Yes.
disrupted our normal lifestyle, right? And we are all getting used to,
Yeah,
again, the
exactly.
online platforms, something like e-learning, digital platforms to shop online. So I think we are all using technology to take it further, right? Take it to the next level. So I think we are going to discuss mostly about online learning today, that is e-learning. So we are going to ask you questions, but before we ask you questions, we will give you 1 minute each to introduce yourself. So you can start with your introduction. So let's start with Revati and then
Oh,
Kripa. Okay.
yes, ma'am. Actually, I am Revati. My native place is Aruppukkottai. That is a town from Tamil Nadu. There I have did my schoolings, and I come to PG degree. I come to Chennai. There I have finished my PG, and then I have did my PhD in NIT Trichapalli, and I have worked for 3 years research experience, and finally now now I'm just searching for a job, and now I'm doing online classes for
Okay, good,
students.
great.
Since I have 2 kids, I have to take care of them. So I'm doing my um, classes online.
Yeah, good. You're teaching online.
Uh,
Yeah, yeah.
Good.
Thank you, Revati. And that is a very good profile that you hold up. And obviously, I think you're
Thank you,
helping
ma'am.
out many students as well. So that's
Yeah.
very good to hear from you.
Thank you, ma'am.
And thank you for introducing yourself. Yeah, can we move on to Krupa? Is it right?
Yeah, sure, ma'am. First of all, thank you very much, ma'am, for giving an opportunity to introduce myself. And my name
My
is
pleasure.
Krupa. Yeah, my name is Krupa. Then I'm from Kanyakumari district. Actually, it is the southern part of the Tamil Nadu. Then coming to my qualification, I have completed MPhil in the stream of biochemistry. Then and also I have been working as a teacher for 2 years, and also I have been working as a medical content editor for 2 years in SPI Global GLF IT Park Chennai. Then the current situation is last year, unfortunately, I resigned my job. Then I thought I may get job by next year, but during that COVID-19, so I'm the person also struggling due to that coronavirus issues. So anyway, by attending an online interview, I got a job now. Then I have to go my workstation. If the problem once it will get over, then coming to my hobbies, I'm the person on who's love to learn everything. Then yeah, now due to that corona pandemic issues, I'm spending my time in a useful way because every day I have a routine. I'm following a routine actually. Every day morning I used to go stitching class. Then afternoon I'll take some rest. Then evening and also I'll do my gardening work. And also by 6 to 9 o'clock or else 10 o'clock I'll take a tuition for my neighboring children. They are my cousins
Okay.
actually, so I'm spending my
Mm,
time in a useful way. uh,
very good.
yeah, and also I'm interested to learning in English. Why? Because I'm the person I'm the person from a Tamil medium actually. Basically I'm a Tamil medium student, so some of my teachers are forgot to give the fundamental education in my school days
Okay.
because I did not knew it, how it what is tense and what are the things which may be followed for the English. So I thought, okay, being a teacher, I should learn English in a right way. Why? Because I have a responsible, right? So my teachers, so many teachers are miss to fail to give a fundamental education for me. So I thought I would become a good teacher. So the thing is, even I was good at my subject, but I was lacking in my English. So I thought I have to
You
develop
lack
my
communication
communication
skills.
skill.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what I'm using these platforms to develop myself. That's it, ma'am.
Very good.
And
Good,
also,
good. Yeah.
I'm a yeah.
Yeah, I think we have
Go
more
ahead.
questions, so don't worry, guys. I think we have plenty questions for today. Since you two are the participants, we're going to target you both itself, so don't worry. You're going to get crazy questions. So it's something like a roller coaster ride for you guys today.
Yeah.
So be prepared for it, and always make sure you just open up, exhibit your views, because that's very important. And see, uh, I think women are growing like to a next level, right? So I think even if we compare
Yeah.
from the past and the ancient days, I think in the modern days, I think women are growing, and they are empowering themselves, and also they are becoming good entrepreneurs, firstly. And I need to congratulate everyone, because they're handling both their personal lives along with their professional life easily, effortlessly. Like as she said, she's
Yeah.
working now as, like, she's
Yeah,
working
with two
online
kids.
trainer,
Mhm.
right? So I think Revati is working or teaching online. So with this, I think women can hold, and I think they are confident enough. As you said, even it's a good example. People coming from a vernacular background, that means especially from Telugu medium, Tamil or Hindi medium, it's difficult for them to learn the pronunciation and also how to frame a sentence, and as she said, the grammar and all. Even if mostly grammar is a mistake, but at least people don't try to frame a sentence. But it's good that she is framing sentences, and she's actually expressing her views effortlessly, without any hesitation, with less hesitations, I can say that. Because mostly what to whoever people we talk to, whomsoever we talk, we observe that they make a lot of mistakes, right? Even though they have studied, or they have a good background, like good communication skills, and from English medium schools and all, but then also something is affecting them and something is lacking. In today's session, as I said, online learning is one such platform. So I just want to ask first question, but before that, I think Jahnavi has something to say. So let's give an opportunity to her to talk about this, and then we can proceed. Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah,
sure, ma'am.
thank you, Priya, and thank you, Krupa, for your introduction as well. And you seem to do good work as well. And I think I heard that you were a medical content writer. Is that right?
Yeah,
So
ma'am.
you somehow tried to help during the COVID-19, right? So you were of some help from the
Yeah.
medical profession. So you were more or less like a frontline worker. So it was very good. And on the other hand, we do have Revati as well, who's helping out the students, during this pandemic and getting them geared up with all the education that they need, that they shouldn't be stopping or there shouldn't be any halt during this time, right? So both of you are doing a great work, and thank you very much for being with us today. And thank you, Priya, for
Yeah,
making
sure,
this.
ma'am.
Yeah, and don't worry. I think as Priya has mentioned all earlier, so your English is not very bad, and you were very good, by the way. So even though they people are from a Telugu or an Hindi medium or a Tamil medium background, or for that matter, any language, I think your communication skills were good, and you don't have to feel frightened for that. And as long as you speak without feeling shy, I think that's a long way to go. So probably you will get to know more and more things, and you can better express yourself. So you don't have to feel
Yeah.
frightened or feel afraid for anything. So you're communicating good, and thank you.
Thank you,
Yeah,
ma'am.
Priya, I think you can go ahead with the very first question, or probably with the topic of the day today.
Yes, as I said, the topic for the day is actually online learning, or you can also call it as e-learning, which you
Hmm.
can also name it as another word, that is digital learning. So you have different names, that is synonyms, right? So I think it's always a better idea to not only learn a single word rather than know different words, something like which are having the same meaning, like synonyms, right? So as I said, e-learning, online learning and all. So I just want to ask, what are the benefits of e-learning? So I think everything has benefits, pros and cons, right? So first thing, I just have a question, that is, what are the benefits of e-learning? So if you want, you can just jot down certain points and then you can talk about
Okay.
it.
Okay. Shall I proceed?
Yeah, Kripa, go ahead, please.
Yes,
And
please.
meanwhile, Revati is going to practice.
Yeah. Okay, ma'am. Actually, the thing is, when I studied at that time, I don't have a kind of platform to learn myself alone because totally, I'm depending some other person to understand the topic or the whatever it may be. But now that the young generation have a good platform to learn everything from their own house itself. The only thing is, if the person having an interest, really they have to work on in that. That simply that internet access, it's the only thing, it's more enough to learn everything. So these are the online learning, it's grooming or whatever. If I am weak in my subject, I can able to search and I can understand the things, because so many teachers and so many tutors are uh, waiting to clear my doubts, whatever it may be. So I thought it's a very good process that technology has been developed so well. So I'm a person are getting benefits from the online learning, as I am a elder one, but still I'm learning from that uh, learning, ma'am.
From these platforms.
Yeah, sure, ma'am. Because
Okay. Yeah, that's good.
really, I didn't even know that how many tenses are there in English.
There are 12 tenses. So yeah, there are 12 tenses. Actually, simple past and
In my
future, right?
teach,
Yeah.
uh, I did not know even that how many tenses are there in English. But now I'm using such a kind of platforms. Then the teacher are teaching very well what is the tense and how many tenses are there, and I can able to understand the whole thing by very clear manner. So I thought that this is a very good platform. Yeah, by YouTube, so many videos are there.
And
Yes,
it's
that's
really
true.
good. And it's really good. As she was explaining that there are many digital platforms, right? From where you can easily learn English. Not only English, any skill that you want to, right?
Yeah,
Right?
yeah. If we
So
don't know that how to cook, we can able to find some
yes,
kind of good cook.
True.
I agree completely with Krupa. Yeah. So go ahead, Revati.
Yes, Revati?
What are the benefits,
Ma'am,
yeah, of
yeah,
online
ma'am.
learning?
Actually, I have to mention 4 points. First one is here knowledge is very much spread over through internet. So yeah, not only a specific topic. There are so many. Whatever we want to learn, we can get. We can get the information from internet if we go in the right way. The second point is communication is increased. Now there is no geological limit. From one part of the place, we can communicate to all people all over the world. So there is no
True.
geological limit, but we have to be very careful. Uh, uh,
Geographical.
yes, to while communicating with others. That's all. That's the two main points. Now our younger generation we got.
Hi, we have another participant. I think she's Bagi. N.
Yeah. Hi.
Great. Hi, Bagi.
Hi, Priya. This is
Yeah.
Bhagyashree.
Okay, Bhageshri. Yeah. Hi.
Hi, Bhagyashree.
Hi,
Yeah,
Janvi. How are you?
I'm doing great. Thank you. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah,
that's good to
Bhageshri.
hear.
So I think Revati is, we interrupted Revati because to just,
No, ma'am. Okay,
Sorry,
go
so
ahead, ma'am. Go
yeah, no
ahead.
problem, no problem.
That's a
Please
two-pointed
continue and
point, ma'am.
complete that. As you said, 4 points. So today,
Yes,
Bagi,
ma'am.
again, I'm going to just give a recap of what happened till now. So we have two participants. One is Krupa and the other one is Revati. So today,
Yeah.
you know the topic, that is online learning, right? So online
Yeah.
learning and during pandemic actually. So we
Yeah.
have asked her a question, not only her, both of them who are there. So that is benefits of e-learning or online learning. So she answered already, Krupa, and she's in between the answer. So let her complete, and we will come back to you. Okay?
Okay, sure, no problem.
Yeah. Thank you.
Hi, Bhagavi.
Hi,
Ma'am,
Revati.
yes. My third point is nowadays everyone can learn. Earn money through internet. There are so many women who become a YouTuber. Like comparing men, women are the women as well as perform well. Then my fourth point is already you said na like women are balancing their home as well as their career. That's it's
Yeah.
they are empowering women.
Yes.
This pandemic actually. That's all, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes.
Yeah, that's true. I think I totally agree. Sorry, because I think all the stay-at-home moms, whosoever are there, or probably who cannot step out of their house because of some limitations due to their family limitations or something, or probably because of their children. Yes, I think this is a good platform to exhibit our talent and showcase whatever we have and spread our knowledge to the world through different channels, or probably YouTube is just one such platform, but you have many others as well. So, probably what you choose is up to you, and how you wanted to showcase your talent and how it might help others is another story altogether. But yes, I think as Revati has mentioned, this is a good time that, yes, during this pandemic, when all the others are sitting at home, probably few people are coming up and then making their way to success.
Yes, good point. I think both have covered good points today. So even we got to know some new points from you people. So about the benefits of e-learning. So yeah, so do you want to answer it, Augie? But before you answer, please introduce yourself with just for a
Yeah,
minute,
sure.
and then we can
Yeah,
proceed with the question and
yeah.
the answer.
Yeah. Myself, Bhagyashree. I born and brought up in India. Actually, I came from Hyderabad, but currently I'm staying in UK. My highest qualification is MBA in finance. I have total 4 years experience in finance. Like 3.5 years experience in India. Here I have like 6 months experience only. After that, I lost my job due to the COVID. So currently, I am looking for new opportunities. So I want to tell you one more thing. I heard about Jahnavi. She also worked here in UK. She also stayed in here like 3 years, right? And you work
Yeah,
as a business analyst.
yes, that's
Yeah.
right.
So I want to know about that, about business analyst, how the jobs interviews going here. So I want to know about the more things from you.
Oh, okay. I think probably this would be more personal questions because this is a platform for you to enable in trying to speak in English. I think
Yeah.
these questions will further be answered or separately if you email us out to
Yeah,
our
sure. No
email ID.
problem. Yeah,
Yeah.
sure. Yeah.
Sorry, please don't mind because this
Yeah,
is
that's
extremely
fine. Yeah,
harder
that's
to
fine. No
learn
problem.
English.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Hopefully she
No,
can
please
answer.
don't take it
Hopefully
wrong.
she can answer at the end. So we cannot
Yeah.
Yeah, or towards the end, probably
dishearten
we're
you
going to
about
discuss.
this. So we are surely going. Surely going to answer that a little bit later.
Mm.
But for
Yeah.
today, we have a topic that which is going to be telecasted. Because these are the episodes which we telecast on our YouTube channel. So I think if you ask personal questions, that will be more deviating from what we are doing right now. So the cause
Yeah.
for this is to make students and the other participants learn English through our conversations, right? So that is the
Yeah.
main
Yeah.
motto of this. So let's keep it straight to the point, and so we will answer you. Don't worry, Bhargavi. So
Yeah, that's
Bhagyashree,
fine.
so she's going to she's going to email you about that. We have your email, right? So don't worry about it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. That's
So
fine. Okay.
as we were asking you benefits of e-learning, so can you please answer that? Whatever points
Yeah.
you have. Yeah.
Yeah, in this main lockdown, we have many benefits through the online learning. The first thing is we cannot go outside, so that we can save our time and we can learn many things through the online. One more thing, I can't speak very much English earlier. Through the online, in this, especially in this lockdown, I learned many English and I learned vocabulary. Many things I learned from the online only, and I joined one more session like it's like an online class only. Chris Americos, it's one English class. So I joined over there.
I know
used to
it's like Chris Americos. I think he does IELTS. So he has a channel which is IELTS Advantage, and I think he just offers VIP courses and different kinds of courses to improve English and all. Yeah, I know
Yes,
him.
yeah. Yeah, I used to speak with many different country peoples, so I learned English from over there. And one more thing, like Revati said about YouTube channels, many women are opening like cooking channels and English channels. Nowadays, they are going to much popular in nowadays. So it's all benefits. We can save time and even we can save money as well. And nowadays, we are doing all work from home, so we are not going outside, so it is possible to do many things from home. That's all.
Okay, good, Bhagyashree. I think it's a good start, but don't mind if I correct you a little bit because if the introduction itself is wrong, I think it's not going to be good enough for the other people, right, to learn. So one point that I want to correct is, Bhagyashree, you introduce yourself as myself, right? Myself,
Yeah.
Bhagyashree or Bhagya.
Yeah.
So the thing is that is wrong. You should not introduce like that. You should introduce either by saying my name is. I think even that is more formal, right? When you are talking to someone, or even when we are attending the interview, or we are talking to the interviewee, then I think we must answer this question as my name is, or you can even add a contraction, something like my name's Priya. My name's,
Okay.
instead of saying my name is, if it's something like more formal or more common, so you can just use a contraction that is my name's Priya, right? So this is how you have to introduce. Or sometimes if you're just might be someone addressed your call and you have to introduce yourself. So on a telephone you can say that this is Priya or this is Bhagyashree, right? So something like this. So otherwise I think the myself is something which is very wrong. I think most of the Indians actually do the same mistake, so I just want to correct them, and this will be something good point for you all, right? So try to introduce yourself something like this, my name is, or if you want to add a contraction you can say my name's Priya, right? Or you can just say in a telephone you can address something like this is Priya, right? I hope you agree with me, Jahnavi.
Yeah.
Yeah, I do.
So do you have any
Yes,
more
and
points
thank.
to say? And one more thing I just want to correct Revati is, I think you need to improve a little bit on your pronunciation, because how the way you enunciate each and every word, I think there is a mother tongue influence a little bit. I can feel that, right?
Okay.
So there is a kind of mother tongue influence. Sorry, don't mind. You people
No.
all are great. I need to appreciate that you have really. If you take consider Krupa and all, they've come from different background, but still they have improved. Even Revati, I can understand that whatever we have got in our surroundings, we might not have good people, or might be people who can speak English, right? Might be our parents didn't speak, or might be our, like, the surroundings, we don't have that environment that we daily speak with them in English itself. But then also we have improved, we have really over the years we have got that grip on the communication skills. Like she said, Bhagyashree, even she was not good before, but during her pandemic she improved, she utilized that time to improve, right? To spruce
Yes.
up. Spruce up is something like smartening the skills, right? So spruce up, let me write down the word SPRUCE. SPRUCE, spruce up, right? So
Spruce.
write on the chat. So this is what we have, something like vocabulary session. We're going to even learn vocabulary today, right? And
So I think I have. Yeah, sorry, Priya. Priya, go ahead.
no problem, please go ahead, please.
And thank you, Bhagyashree, by the way, for introducing yourself and talking about the benefits of online learning. And there's a very important thing that I wanted to make. And I think when there is a need to talk about a particular topic, probably we don't want to jump onto the topic in order to answer it until and unless you have all the information. Because otherwise you end up trying to put fillers in between. Okay, or you try to think behind your head as to what you need to say next, or you run out of your words very quickly. I think instead of that, I think Revati has done a very good thing trying to note down her points or jot down her points. So she was very much organized in trying to jot down what points she would want to speak about. And then I think you have written a very important key points. So I think that should suffice for you to speak about that particular point. You understood what I said? So in that way, you don't run out of words, nor do you forget anything. So you can have a continuous speech while you're trying to communicate. That's very good as well. Okay. Is that right, Priya?
Yes, I agree.
Yeah. And I think probably we can move on to another topic. This is the topic that we're going to talk about. Probably we can ask you another question. Do you have any other questions, Priya?
Yes, what the next question can be like, see, online learning, I think everyone know, but how it has improved or bolstered during the pandemic or during the COVID-19, right? So how did it bolster in something like, how did it strengthen more? Because I think nowadays everybody is using, because of this COVID-19, I think around 1.2 billion students are sitting at home and they're learning through online, right? So learning online.
Yeah.
So I just want to
Yeah.
say that because every school is shut down, no school, we have no traditional method of face-to-face conversation or face-to-face classes. So everything is running online. You all people are aware of it. I think so, right? Right? You're all
Yes,
aware
ma'am.
of it. And even you're a mom of two, I think. So you know better, Revati. So
Ma'am, yes,
you
ma'am.
have
Actually,
to, yeah.
yes, ma'am. Tell me, ma'am.
No problem, no problem. You were saying something.
Okay, yes, ma'am. Actually, for kids, I recommend Khan Academy Kids, ma'am. Khan Academy, there is a organization, volunteers. They are making so much nice works to the students community, ma'am. It's
Okay.
very good. It's also apps are available for kids. For kindergarten itself, they are giving. Even I am using for my kids. So
Good.
for education, we can go that particular way, ma'am.
Yes. So
But I
as I
think
was continuing the point that yes, since people are sitting at home, I think they have seen number of drawbacks and also some kind of inconvenience that was caused during their the way they were interacting with the teachers or whatever it might be. I think everything has a drawback. So what kind of drawbacks or issues that you have faced with e-learning or online learning? So I think first we have seen the benefits, right? So that is advantages.
Yeah,
Now
yeah.
something we're going to talk about the cons, or might be you can say that what are the drawbacks actually?
Yeah.
I think drawbacks are different from disadvantages. So what are the drawbacks that you did you face with the e-learning? So you can think about it. So whoever is ready, you can answer first, and then people.
Or the limitations that you have
Yeah,
faced.
limitations. Yeah.
Ma'am,
Yes, Kripa.
shall I?
Yeah, please.
Actually, yeah, due
Yes,
to the
please.
pandemic situation, as you said, total all over the world, all this corona situation. Hello?
Yes, we can hear you, Kripa.
Yeah, yeah. Sorry for the interruption.
No problem.
No, that's fine. Can you
Hi.
please start fresh?
Ma'am?
Can you please start from the beginning?
Yeah, yeah, I can. Sure, ma'am. Actually, the thing is, once the students are sitting in the class, at that time, we are teaching something to the students. We can able to notice the students directly, what the children are doing, what is their own interest, and if the students are listening my words or not. There is a possibility to understand the students, what is the ability of the students, uh, actually what the children are doing in that class. But by e-learning, we are not supposed to see all those things. Actually, they are sitting in their house, we are sitting in our house, so just they are physically, sometimes they are sitting and listening our class. That what is the mental status of the children? Definitely, I'm not clear about it, because I don't know how many of them getting the clear concept about the subject. So it is a main limitation for limitation of the e-learning. So, and also
Kripa. Yeah, good.
yeah,
So sorry to interrupt you guys. We just have 7 more minutes. So because we
yeah,
had the meeting at 4 p.m., but since people
yeah,
didn't join, we did not reschedule it, but we continued. Again, after 1 hour, it's going to automatically disconnect. So we just have to. I mean, you need to conclude the session as
Yeah.
well. So I just will give you 2 minutes for each person. So already we have Krupa's answer done. So let's
yeah.
go with Revati's answer and then followed by Bhagyashri, and then we will conclude the